Hi, my name is Nate Smith. I'm the Director of Engineering and Product Development here at ABI Attachments. Here at ABI, we equip our customers with better ways to get outdoor work done.
My name is Stacy Grooms. I'm the HR manager with ABI. The atmosphere here at ABI is very family-friendly focused.
One thing that I love about working here at ABI is we have a phenomenal team and culture where we help each other out. We really care about each other and employees.
They offer a lot of different benefits, from your standard health benefits, 401k, and paid time off, to really offering a flexible schedule, work-life balance.
I'm Nick Good and I'm assembler at ABI Attachments. I get to work on different projects. I'll work on the TR3s one day, I'll work on a gravel grader the next, or a roller, all kinds of different attachments. So it makes the day very interesting.
Hello everyone, this is Parveen Sheikh. I work as a business system manager at ABI. People at ABI create a supportive, friendly and dynamic environment. What I really appreciate working at ABI is I feel I'm valued for my work, and then I get an opportunity to work independently.
ABI is very supportive when it comes to professional development. We enjoy sending our employees out to conferences so they can continue their education.
My name is Brian Smith and I am a customer service technician here at ABI Attachments. I was drawn to ABI by the work atmosphere and by the attitude of the fellow co-workers always helping you out and encourage you along the way to grow and better yourself.
I would really encourage anyone considering applying for ABI, because a company here values your hard work and creates a best environment for your to thrive professionally.
We at ABI realize that a lot of what our tools get used for would be defined as chores or work to other people. That's why we're constantly striving to help those people get more efficient use out of their tow vehicles, their time and their energy, so they can do the things they love. That's why we talk about coming up with better ways to get outdoor work done.